Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I installed this hair from WKWIG hair. It is their Brazilian deep wave hair and I had V install it for me. So I'm going to be showing you guys how she did that step by step. So the first thing V does is just to clean any makeup that I may have around my hairline area, just to make sure it's a clean area. Is trimming the lace off the frontal, and then she's gonna go ahead and apply the Got To Be gel to my hairline, and then she's gonna place the frontal on top of that very, very gently so that it melts into my skin, honey. As you can see, she's spraying some water on it, and this is literally just ordinary water. Allow for the moisture to be distributed a little bit better, and then from there I was able to sort of run my fingers through it, and my hairdresser was also running her fingers through it. This hair is so soft, it's so light, it didn't feel heavy at all on my head. The frontal didn't feel like itchy or anything like that, because I've had frontals before that once they were laid down they just felt a little bit weird and a little bit itchy. But this one didn't feel like that whatsoever. So soft and just so bouncy, and the curls really stayed in place. I was so impressed with this hair. As you can see, guys, I was getting so excited in the video, and that's because my hairdresser was saying I really like it.
Yes. Wow, it does, right? Yes, yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah, I like it.
You do?
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Go V. Go V. She loved the hair just as much as I did. This is probably like some of the best curly hair I've used in a long time. Hand on heart, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out WKWIG hair. All the links that you will need is going to be in the description box, so please head over and check that out. And please also check out my girl V. Her Instagram is below. It is V's Real Hair. Drop her a line if you're looking for somebody in the London area to make you some amazing wigs. Thank you again, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.